this video, I want to show you how you can find brands that will pay you for just leads on impact.com. So in case you do not know Impact is basically an affiliate marketplace, and all you can do, or what you can do on Impact, is to join affiliate platforms or to join affiliate programs that will pay you commissions for promoting their product. So I already have a lot of videos on Impact. So this video is not a video that teaches you how to get approved or how to register on Impact, because I have a 15 minutes video that covers everything that you need to do to get into impact.com. So this video is going to show you how you can find cost per action offers on impact.com. So you need to understand that Impact is not primarily a CPA marketplace. So it's not a place where brands just want emails, but there are a few brands here that will pay you for emails. So they need you to get emails of target clients, and you'll be paid some money for this. So the first thing is obviously to come to impact.com, and you need to have an account that is verified. Again, I have a full 15 minutes video that covers that, so I'm not going to go about that in this video. So once you come to Impact, this is the interface you are going to see, and the first thing you want to do is you want to come to Discover right here, and we want to go for brands. We are looking for brands, and brands are different from physical products and campaigns. So I already have a video that covers all these things about Impact already, so you might want to check that out. So if you come to Impact here, if you come to brands, this is where you find all the pre-qualified brands, but you can come to all brands. All right, when you come to all brands, you see here that says CPA payout. If you click on it, you see the different ways you can use to sort the kind of offers that you want. All right, so let's say we want to do CPA payout amount. All right, CPA simply means cost per action. This simply means cost per lead or lead payout. So let's say we are looking for cost per action product. You can say we want the highest one that pays upfront. All right, so as you can see, these ones, they pay you 10 cents for a lead tracker. This one, they pay American Baby lead pixel 25 cents. This one is Swagbox. They pay you for every email that has been verified, you get $1 to $3. All right, so here this is Wantable. This is an apparel company. They pay you for their edits $17. This one, free trial sign up, they pay you $20. This one, product purchase, we don't really want that. This is a quote, best bets quote. When people ask for quotation on this app or this website, you'll be paid $3. This is a website, we don't want that. Premium membership purchase, that's not a lead. Web first time purchase, again, that's not a lead. So confirm subscription, this one they pay you $9. This is a sale, we are not interested in that. Contest launch, $5. Student loan refinance, we are not really interested in that, but you get the point now. This is how you find product that will pay you per leads or per action, CPA. All right, so this one is a sale, we don't want that. So this is basically how you do it. Basically how you do it. So this one is a lead. They pay you $10. Enterprise Club CPA, they pay you $10. This is online subscription, which translates to sale. We are not interested in that. This is Inverto Elements subscriptions, translate to sale. We are not interested in that. This is email verify. So this simply means if you get emails and these people, they verify the email, you are going to earn the commission. So this is what we are going to do. Let's look at one of them. So I'm just going to click on this My Point, so you see what the payment says and what this product is all about. So as you can see, this brand is a women apparel and men apparel. Is basically a fashion brand, and you can see their website right here. So it says this program, you can join this program and earn $2 50 cents per qualifying lead. All right, so again, this is what this is the lead. They want email verify. You earn between $1 to $3, and the cookie duration is 30 days, which means that this cookie duration, if people click on your affiliate link, they have 30 days to submit their emails, and you earn these $3. Now, if they just carry out a registration on the site without verifying their email, you are not going to earn anything. So it's important for you to read the terms and so for you to understand the terms. So if you notice here, they say it's between $1 to $3. So we need to understand what that means. So you want to come to either the view terms or the details here. If you come to the details, you know that this service is just the United States. This is important. People come to me and they say, I got a lead and I didn't get paid. All right. This can be the reason where we service. Pay attention to where the brand services, because if you go and get a lead, let's say in Nigeria or Ghana or any country that they don't service, they are not going to pay you for that, because that's not a lead for them. That doesn't help their business in any way. So it's not personal. You just need to work where they want you to work, or generate leads where they want you to generate leads. This is important. Also, you can see when this platform joined this marketplace. So they joined in 2016, which means they've been there for a while. You can see other things about the company. If you wanted to call them, you can call them, make your own inquiries and all of that. So if you come back here, you want to look at the terms of these agreements, so you understand what you are dealing with or what you are working with. So I'm going to give you some time to come up, and then we can read the terms together to really understand if this is what for us to register. Now it's up, and now you can see the first condition for you to earn is if it is if people registered on mobile, you earn $1.30. If they registered on desktop, you earn $3. So every other method that is not cannot be traced to these two, you earn $1.30. And now the way this works is this. Ordinarily in marketing, web clicks are much higher than mobile clicks, because most purchases or most decisions are made on desktop. That's how we've been made to believe. So this is why this is this way. So now you want to look at the condition: 75 actions per day, weekends override 50 actions. I don't really know what that means, but this is the action locking period, and their transactions are paid 10 days after they've been locked. So they are locked for 10 days. So you don't get paid immediately, and you are paid 10 days after they are locked. So for instance, everything here is going to take you 20 days. So credit policy, last day click, referral window, 30 days. I already talked about that. Referral window simply means, so the referral window simply means how the duration people have before they can pay. So if people clicked on your link, they have 30 days for you to earn. So after 30 days, you don't earn anything. So that's what this means. So after going through the terms, this is basically all we got. So this is how you can find just CPA stuffs on impact.com. Remember, if you come to our brand, just come here. You see all the options here, or you can come to the features here. You can come to the payout model, and you can look for online leads and every other things that you have here. So I hope this video helps you. If it does, please like it. If you have questions about impact, affiliate marketing, and all those kind of stuff, you can ask me in the comment section. My name is 𝐷𝐿, and I'll see you in my next video. If you do not have an account here, then watch this video right here. It's going to show you every steps that you need to have an account on impact.com. Until next time, bye bye.